Hello everyone, HDFC Mutual Fund has launched a new fund. Let's look for some details. Name of the fund is HDFC Manufacturing Fund. Scheme is going to open for subscription on the 26th of April, closing on the 10th of May. Units will be allotted on the 10th of May. Minimum investment required is of 100 rupees. It is an open-ended scheme having two option: growth and income distribution cum capital withdrawal, IDCW. Exit load 0 on withdrawal of funds. Benchmark of the scheme is Nifty India Manufacturing Index. This fund is for the investors having high risk-taking capacity. Investment strategy. The scheme seeks to provide long-term capital appreciation by investing predominantly in equity and equity-related securities of companies engaged in the manufacturing activity. The scheme will be managed by Rakesh Sethia. The scheme will reopen for subscription, redemption within 5 business days from the date of allotment. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.